is Luka. I live on the second floor. I live upstairs from you. Yes, I think you've seen me before. If you hear something late at night, if you hear some ground, some kind of fight, just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me what it was. I think it's because I'm clumsy. I try not to talk too loud. Maybe it's because I'm crazy. I try not to act too proud. Could be only until you cry, and after that you turn us white. Just don't argue anymore. Just don't argue anymore. Just don't argue anymore. Yes, I think I'm okay. I walked into the door again. Well, if you ask, that's what I say, and it's not your business anyway. I guess I'd like to be alone. What, it's nothing broken, nothing wrong. Just don't ask me how I am. Just don't ask me how I am. Just don't ask me how I am. If you hear something late at night, some kind of trouble, some kind of fight, just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me what it was. Just don't ask me